In this video, I'll show you how to remove a payment method from your Google Ads account so you can manage billing details and keep your account organized. This is useful if you want to delete an old card, switch to a different payment source, or update your billing setup. To begin, sign in to your Google Ads account and click Billing from the left navigation menu. This section contains your payment settings and the list of payment methods currently linked to your account. Locate the payment method you want to remove and look for the Remove option beside it. Click Remove and confirm the action when prompted. Once confirmed, the payment method will no longer be available for future charges. If you cannot access the billing section, it may be due to limited user permissions. In that case, an admin user will need to open the admin section, go to Access and Security, and update your role to Billing Access, Standard, or Admin, depending on the level required. After the permissions are updated, you should be able to return to billing and remove the payment method normally. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.